Airtable, the best data management software for business. Simple reading style mode. Enable your content loading. Online collaboration software called Airtable is the best data management software for business platforms. Be aware that Airtable is simple to use and has a ton of functionality before you write it off as dull because it has a word database. You can use it to organize and track your goods, schedule events, and more. It varies from other, more established database management systems in that it appears to be a user-friendly tool with straightforward language, intuitive color schemes, and practical icons. Additionally, it is very configurable. This collaborative software is our choice because of its adaptability and simplicity of use. 1. What is Airtable? For individuals who are accustomed to using standard Office software as their go-to for all purposes, Airtable is a full-featured, distinctive database tool that was created around practical application. It promotes itself as part spreadsheet, part database, and fully configurable, and offers task management features as well. One of the early applications of computing outside of research facilities, engineering corporations, and the military was databases. Fast data storage and retrieval using intricate criteria is quite useful. But because the technology is so demanding, many smaller companies are looking for alternatives to conventional database solutions. Before cloud computing, database software required strong servers, which frequently meant using spreadsheet tools instead of complex databases. Modern organizations in need of effective archiving solutions should give Airtable a try. 2. How Airtable can help you organize your business data. The connected records on Airtable linked records function both ways. In order to quickly determine how much time a specific team member has spent working on a specific customer's assignments during a specified time period, we can easily develop an on-the-fly filter. This is only a small sample of Airtable's tremendous filtering and sorting capabilities. It is capable of so much more. But in the end, everything hinges on Airtable's distinctive capacity to link records in various tabs, which is what makes it so exceptional. This skill preserves, and in fact, encourages, you to organize the structure of your business along logical lines, prevents data duplication in the database and saves you many hours of effort. What's maybe even more intriguing is that by opening the connected record entry, you can modify data from a different tab right from the tab you're now working in. You don't need to hunt for your needed record or open the page that really holds the data. The connected record location has all you require. Can a record from another table be linked into this view, you might be wondering? Yes, you are allowed to have as many levels of link data as you like in your base. In the following example, for instance, we are adding entries from the team table and the customers table to the timesheet table views on Airtable. As was already noted, the views allow you to filter and sort data, hide, show fields, assign alternative data types, and group data by one or more fields. Furthermore, this is just the top of the iceberg. Here is an illustration of the table we use to update all of our standard operating procedures, SOPs. You may utilize the Kanban view in addition to the standard table view. In our business, we use it for scheduling our long-term tasks, like this blog post you are reading now. Alternatively, you can utilize the calendar view to organize your team's schedule, time off, etc. 3. The benefits of using Airtable with the attractive business application. Aviation Desk Database. Teams stay aware of what's going on by combining the functionality of a database with the visual appeal of a spreadsheet. It offers web and mobile user-friendly interface. Lots of pre-made templates and lots of customization. Over 200,000 of the largest organizations in the world use Airtable because it makes it simple to add images, documents, and other multimedia content to its relational database. A strong database tool with spreadsheet-like comfort due to the technical requirements of reading and extracting data from databases, which need knowing and comprehending SQL. The majority of business professionals avoid databases. When faced with large datasets, they struggle to provide useful results and prefer spreadsheets for data management. Here, Airtable fills the gap with its adaptable relational data model, which not only meets the needs but also offers a more potent solution. As opposed to other database offerings, Airtable smoothly manages projects and automation thanks to its simple-to-use UI, no-code tools, collaborative workflow, and diverse templates. With features like fields for attachments, extensive text, checkboxes, links, and even barcodes, Airtable functions exactly like any other spreadsheet. Since Airtable is totally cloud-based, anyone may access Airtable databases on the go using any web-enabled or mobile device. A perspective for each work style in order to aid in gaining more insights and facilitating simple workflows for all users. Airtable database provides customizable views that allow users to view the same content from several angles. The grid, calendar, Kanban, gallery, and form views allow users to view the same data in several organized styles while adding extra customizations to manage the data in that view. Airtable Sync makes cross-team collaboration simple. Using Airtable as a database makes project management and collaboration easier. Project managers can assign tasks and make everyone aware of what needs to be done in order to encourage accountability. Users can add comments to Airtable in order to keep track of specific information about their work. Airtable Sync is a strong cross-team collaboration tool that Airtable extends. Through a single syncable view that unifies your teams around a single source of truth with real-time data from many sources, your teams can stay in sync with Airtable Database Sync. Airtable Sync consolidates data sources in an aggregate view to examine and analyze data from multiple inputs at once instead of teams using various data silos on one's device. Workflow boosting apps marketplace and Airtable integrations. You may explore, enhance, and take action on your data using Airtable apps. Additionally, you may remix open source applications and modify them to fit your own workflow using tools and features like Gantt charts, pivot tables, timers, page design applications, URL previews, and Jira Cloud. The primary purposes of Airtable concern privacy and security without ever having to learn how to code. Airtable enables business professionals from all walks of life to create an almost limitless number of practical apps on their own. From handling international marketing campaigns to running an organization's whole back office, Airtable has a wide range of applications. Airtable upholds the greatest privacy and security standards since they recognize this and value the information provided by their users. Collaboration with Airtable databases permission levels what an Airtable collaborator may and cannot modify